Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have here what I feel is a very disappointing month for April Boxycharm since they went with Ipsy. So you get an Ipsy-Boxycharm base box, but me signing up for the Boxycharm Premium, they said that their Ipsy-Boxycharm doesn't go into effect with the premium until August. And if you would like to keep it, then you can continue to keep it. But I'm actually not even sure if I want to keep the base box now. I don't like the new box. At least with Boxycharm, it stayed shut after you opened it. Now I gotta hold it. I don't find this box appealing, even though I do like pink. I prefer the black Boxycharm. Ipsy it just sounds, I'm going to say it in my opinion, cheap. Because I used to get Ipsy way back when it was like $10 a month. And you got the deluxe sample sizes, which actually really sucked. So it was really nothing big and major or anything and I stopped getting that a long time ago and I went with Boxycharm. So another thing I don't like about it, what the hell is this? Like, really? What is this? I prefer the nice pretty foam that used to be in here, that Boxycharm used to put in here in their box. First of all, Discover Yourself doesn't say anything about Boxycharm, but it's supposed to be still Boxycharm. Cheap by packaging. I mean, it's like falling apart. Like, it's really just cheap. Boxycharm was more sturdier box. And another thing that it don't come with, it doesn't come with the card to tell me what exactly is in my box. It doesn't tell me if it's new launch. It doesn't tell me the prices of it. So now I feel like these videos are going to be quite boring and stupid, and I feel like it's going to be a waste of my time. I'm still going to do them, but I'm not really caring about much that's in this box. But you now get this thing here, like a little magazine, Boxycharm by Ipsy. Sucks. It doesn't says same great subscription you know and love, now with more perks than ever. Sorry, had to pause this video. Had a little bit of a bird issue. She wanted to toot, so I had to clean my arm. But I was talking about, I don't care about this. I mean, what would have been great is if you told me exactly what was in my box, and you don't tell me anything that has to do with what's in my box that I got. You're talking about epic deals, personalized picks, more choices than ever, power picks, what else? Icon box, which is basically like the Lux box, I believe is what it's supposed to be. You get that however 3 times a year, 4 times, whatever the heck it is. But I'm just like, do I even keep this? I don't know. I'm not liking it. It's not appealing to me. So now all you're going to hear me talk about is like, oh, look at this product and look at this product, and that's it. I'm not going to be trying them on. You're not going to know how much it costs unless you Google the prices, and I'm not doing that. So I'm not going to sit there and do all that. I have a full-time job already. I'm not doing that. This as a full-time job. This is like just for fun is what I want to call this. But I'm going to get right into the box instead of me complaining about this much. But this is by Ciate London. This I'm thrilled to have in here. But Ciate London, and it is a lip mask, and it has the little box there. If I can get, I'll just rip it because I'm only going to rip it out of the box anyway. And it's got a cute little Connor. Really? She already went in. She heard the cars. Sorry if you hear any traffic. You hear a fan in the background. But it is hot as anything here in Pennsylvania. Oh my God. It feels like it's 90 degrees already. So, like I said, I really am not going to be apologizing much, especially in the summer, because I'm going to have windows open. You're going to hear cars. It's life. Whatever. But anyway, here's a little smiley face. I think that's stinking cute. And this is all it is. It has like little faces on it. Let me see if it smells. It's yellow. I'm trying to... I don't know what it smells like. Kind of like a very faint, to me, like a very, very, very faint pineapple smell. But I'm not sure. I could be wrong. But I'm glad I have that, because I do love Ciate London. Let me get rid of this. This is so stupid. This looks like a little kindergartner had, you know, fun, like what my kids used to come home with, and when they were little, from preschool. Next we have here by Fenty Beauty, it's the Heat lip gloss, and it's in the shade Lemon Lava. So I'm going to take it that the Heat ones are with a little bit of lip plumping. This bird annoys the hell out of me. She just had her beak and nails done this morning. Didn't you? Your beak needed to be smoothed out because it was too sharp and pointy, so they have to, you know, bring it up, and they cut her nails because they were too sharp. But I do not get her, me and my guy, we do not get her wings cut because we had a bad experience with one place that we took her to. So now she's just a flight at the Conroy. And it is the gold one that I got, and let me see if it smells like anything. It says lemon lava. It kind of has like a pina colada smell, kind of, sorta. You know what I'm saying? I like lip gloss. I wanted to try this thing out here. Maybe I'll take it. By the time you're seeing this video, we will be in Jamaica. So by the time this video goes up, but I'm happy about this. Maybe I'm going to throw this in there. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, what else we got here? Something really tiny and small by It Cosmetics. It says, hello results. What the hell is this? See, I would have preferred having that card. The card would tell me more info than me having to try to read this little stupid thing. I don't know what the heck this is. So, we will do this. You bring out the trusty phone, who has an amazing camera on it, and you let it bring it in, and it says, hello results. It is a wrinkle reducing daily retinol serum in cream. Is this for the eyes? Is this for the face? How to use it? Apply a pea-sized amount to face and neck once daily. Do not place onto eyelids or lips. So, how many days am I going to get out of this stupid little thing? To me, this is an Ipsy product because it looks like a deluxe sample size. So, we're still going to get that crappy sample size. Is this what this is? I'm really, as you can tell, I am very displeased with this little combination of two companies because I don't understand it. It's stupid. I really think it's stupid. I might get hate for this. I really don't care, but this is my opinion. Everybody is entitled to their own opinion. First of all, I'm also a person who hates change. Anybody in my life will tell you I hate change. I hate it when a grocery store changes their aisles. I snap. Like, I get used to where everything is, and it's just like, where did you move it to? But this looks like more of an Ipsy little product, but how many times am I going to be using this? Like, this would have been perfect size if it was an under eye cream because it's tiny. I mean, it says not onto eyelids, so can I put it under eyes? Because I'm starting to get a little bit of wrinkles. I don't have wrinkles anywhere else, like, at all. I mean, I do have the crepey neck skin, but I am also in my late 40s. So, moving on, let's see what else we have in here. It is Skin Proud. It's Smooth Talk. It's a hyaluronic acid serum, 2%. Pretty little pink packaging. I think I have my ring light down a little too low, so it's washing things out. I'm going to pop into this thing here. I didn't realize that things were sealed with tape. And it's just a plain old little bottle with a cute little pump. I don't want to open it up and get any kind of air, bacteria, or whatever in that, because I have to use up all my other stuff. Alright, next we have here, this I did choose. I chose 3. This, I chose the lip mask. And I chose this. I think there was one more thing I chose. But this is the Super Goop Daily Dose Hydroceramide Boost and SPF 40. And I think it is a... Let me put my phone down. I'm holding it so if I need to see something, I'm not like struggling. And this is really cute. I'm going to be enjoying this. I don't want to open it and get it contaminated, but I bought a couple things from Super Goop that I will be trying on my trip to Jamaica. So I will maybe come back when another Super Goop product comes on and let you know how I feel about it. But I picked this. I think this is another thing I picked. It's in a glass bottle. Snap stamp. And this is the Clarity. It is the Take Care Daily. It's an antioxidant. Because the bottle is like this. Like, really? And your letters are tiny. And it is an antioxidant red tea serum, hydrate and protect. I don't know what, and it says number 2 on it. So I guess cleanse would be 1. I don't know. I don't want to open it. I really want to smell it so bad though. I'm going to open it. No, I'm not. They actually have it sealed there too. Wow. Okay, so it's completely sealed with plastic around this. So I'm not opening it to smell it. And the final thing, I did not choose this, but I did. These are the 3 things I chose: the lip mask, this little serum, and this serum. What they chose for me was the Dry Bar Detox Dry Shampoo. I'm not mad about this one actually. So I hear Dry Bar is really good, and I don't use dry shampoo, but I might have to start, since my hair is thinning so bad that I might have to zhuzh it and make it a little bit thicker. But my hair doesn't get oily. My hair really doesn't get that oily through the week. I can go every other day, every 3 days. But this they chose for me. But that was all that was in this little, what do we call it? Ipsy-Boxy-Charm? Boxycharm Ipsy? Boxycharm? Because if you look on their website, get your tail out of my face, it still says Boxycharm for the base box. So, but their box says Ipsy. So I will call it Ipsy-Boxy-Charm is what I will call it. So for this video, it will not be a base versus premium like I usually do on the thumbnail. It's just going to say Ipsy-Boxy-Charm on there now. It's very disappointing that, you know, I didn't get to compare 2 boxes, but what am I to do? I don't own the companies. They had a reason why they did this. Who knows? Maybe because of, I don't know why. And I'm not going to continue talking about it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video for what it was. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you got in your Ipsy-Boxy-Charm. How do you like the marriage of the 2 companies? Or marriage of the 2 names. I don't even know if they were actually the same company. It's just one was the little sister brand and that. I don't know. I don't know the details, but the marriage of the 2 names. If you're new, please subscribe. I would love to have you. And until I see you all again, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.